Creating an online contest is a great way to drive massive traffic to your website, increase your follower count, and generate targeted leads for your business. While creating a giveaway contest might seem difficult, it's actually not, especially when you use the right contest software to make the process super simple. In this video, I will show you how to run a giveaway or online contest step by step for beginners. This video is brought to you by RafflePress, the best WordPress giveaway plugin to grow your email list, website traffic, and social media followers with viral giveaways and contests. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and to learn how RafflePress can create successful giveaways for you. So the first thing we're going to do is take a look at RafflePress Lite, and this is the free version. So let's go ahead and go to plugins and add new, and we're going to search for RafflePress up on the top right corner here. Let's go ahead and install now and click on activate. Here's a welcome page that you can go through, and there's a video here to watch if you like. On the left hand side, let's go to add new, and it's going to ask you for a giveaway name. Now when you're creating a giveaway, it's important that you are giving something away that's related to your niche or your industry or what your website or business is about. For example, you don't want to give away an iPad if your business is about selling audio gear or selling video equipment, etc. So let's pretend that we have a company that sells audio gear like microphones and podcasting equipment. Let's go ahead and give away podcast gear. And for right now in RafflePress Lite, we only have the option of the classic giveaway. So let's go ahead and use this template. On the right hand side, you can see what your giveaway will look like on the page. So you have your entries, total entries, the time remaining. You have the title, the description, and then how they'll log in and the ways that they can enter. So right now we have 0 ways to enter. On the left hand side, we're on the setup tab here, and we're looking at the details. If I go ahead and click edit here, or if I click on any of these, it'll open the edit pan to change all of the information. So I'm going to go ahead and enter a title, and I'll add a description here. If you like, you can also bold or italicize some of the information in your description. You can edit HTML if you know HTML, and you'll see that this is grayed out to enter an image. Anything that's grayed out in RafflePress Lite is a pro feature. So now we can go ahead and click on done editing, and then we can see the information on our giveaway. Next, we have the start and end time. So we can't select a time in the RafflePress Lite, but we can select the day. So I'll start this today. We'll run this for 1 week. So here we can see 6 days left. Next, let's go ahead and add some actual actions. So RafflePress is great for getting more subscribers. It's also great for getting more social engagement and to get more traffic to your business or your social media pages or website. Let's go ahead and add one of these. Let's say I want people to follow us on Twitter. It'll now add this one option for them to enter the giveaway. So here we have the title to follow us on Twitter. What the value of the points are. This is actually a pro feature. So if I click on a different value, it'll ask you to upgrade. Also to make it mandatory, and then your actual username for Twitter here. So for this example, I will just put in RafflePress. Let's go back to actions and let's add another one. Let's say like our page, and you can change the title here if you wish. And we'll just put in the URL to the Facebook page. Let's go back to add actions. So now you just go through and add what you would want to accomplish with this giveaway. So you could also have people tweet a message, share on Facebook, or visit maybe your website if you need to. Next, we have the design tab, and this is a pro feature, but you do have the option for layout, fonts, button color, and page background. Under settings, we have the general settings. Here you can change your giveaway name. You can limit signups per IP. So if you don't want people to sign up more than 3 times per IP address, you can enable that. You can show the RafflePress link, and if you like, you can join our affiliate program to get a 20% commission on all sales generated from that link. Next, we have the giveaway rules. And here you can enter any rules that you wish to have for your giveaway. We have a rules generator template. So I'll just quickly put in some fictitious information here. So here we have the sponsor name, email, address, country, the eligible locations, and the minimum age. Once I click generate rules, it'll create all of these rules for you automatically, so you don't have to put all of this in yourself. Next, we can go to GDPR, and you can enable this if you wish. And then the GDPR consent text down here. We have a reCAPTCHA that you can enable. You can enable visible reCAPTCHA. So we have links here to show you how to get the site keys to enable this. Let's go back to the details. And once we're happy with everything, we can just look it over quick. We can go ahead and save this. Next, we want to publish this. And now we have 3 options, but only 2 options are available currently in RafflePress Lite. So we have the WordPress block that we can use, and we have the WordPress shortcode. So let's go ahead and close this. And let's say we want to enable this on a page. Let's go to pages and add new. So here I can put in a title for my page. I'm just going to call this podcast. And now we want to embed our contest into our page. So here we could have lots of different blocks for our images, our headings, anything that would go on a normal website page. If we click on browse all, we can actually come down to widgets, and we can see that we have a RafflePress widget here. If I click on this, it'll enable this into the page. Here it'll ask to select a giveaway. and then I'll just select the name of the contest that we created. And this will embed this directly into our page. If I select this and delete this, I'll show you a quick shortcut. I'll do a / and then I'll start to type in RafflePress, and you can see that that shows it right here. And now I can just do the same thing to enable this. Let's go ahead and publish this page. Let's just preview it quick. I'm just using the default WordPress theme, but you can see that it is embedded into our page now. Let's go back to the dashboard and head over to RafflePress and giveaways. Here you'll see a list of all of your giveaways, but I want to embed this. So let's go to embed, and I want to show you the WordPress shortcode. So I'm going to click here, and right here, it'll give you the shortcode. You can click the button here to copy it, and we can close this. Next, let's go back to our pages. You can do this with posts as well. So let's go ahead and do this with posts and add new. We'll just call this one, say, giveaway. And then same as the block, we're going to use the shortcode. So let's do the shortcode block. So we can just enter this. And I'm just going to paste that shortcode that RafflePress gave us right into here. Next, let's go ahead and publish this page and view the post. And there you go. You can see that it's embedded into your page. Next, let's go ahead and look at the Pro version of RafflePress. So I'm actually going to deactivate and uninstall RafflePress Lite quickly. And then next, we're going to head over to rafflepress.com, or you can click the link in the description. You can click the orange button here to get the Pro version. And once you have an account, let's click on Login. On the left-hand side, you can enter your email address and your password, and then click Login. Next, let's go to the Downloads tab. And we're going to download the latest version of RafflePress. We'll also need the license key on the bottom left-hand corner here. You can click the little icon here to copy this. We can go ahead and close this window. And next, let's go to Plugins and Add New. Up here, we can go to Upload Plugin and then choose File. So we're going to drag this zip file right here, or you can choose a file from your hard drive and select it. Next, let's go ahead and click on Install Now and Activate Plugin. Right here, it's going to ask for your license key. Let's go ahead and paste that in and verify key. If everything was successful, you'll see a green success message here. If you're using the same browser as I am or something similar, you can close this tab at the bottom. Now on the left-hand side, we can go to Settings, and now we have access to all of the Pro features, such as setting our time zone. So for me, I'm going to select New York and save settings. We can go under Emails, and you have update notifications, so you can have none, daily, or weekly. You have integrations now unlocked, so you can activate Active Campaign, Constant Contact, Zapier, etc. But let's go ahead and create a new giveaway. And now we have the giveaway name, but we also have all of these templates available to choose from. I'm going to give this the same name as the last one. Let's go ahead and select Classic Giveaway. I just want to show you the differences now in the Pro version compared to the Lite. So on the right-hand side, we have the visual look of the giveaway, which looks very similar, but you can see that we now have an image that we can add, which makes a huge difference. Let's go ahead and enter the information again. And now this time we're going to select an image. So I can click here, and you can upload an image or select one that you already have uploaded from your media library. I'm just going to drag and drop an image right in here. And on the right-hand side, you can enter your alt text and your title. Once you're ready, you can choose image and click on Done Editing. Now you can see that this image really brings the contest to life. On the left-hand side, we have our start and end time. So now we have the option of picking an actual time for the start and end, but you can get very specific with that. And the start time for the contest and the end time. Next, let's come over to actions. And we have all of these unlocked now. There's a lot of features to choose from here now. So we have LinkedIn and Twitch, and visit a YouTube channel, join a newsletter. So this is a big one. Let's go ahead and change the title of this to Join Our RafflePress Newsletter. And let's pretend that this is our main goal. So we'll put lots of points on this one. So you can see that they'll get 5 points if they join the RafflePress newsletter. Here you can trigger on sign up. So turning this on will automatically add someone to your email list when they sign up for the giveaway. You want to make it mandatory or not. Display opt-in confirmation checkbox, yes or no. And then you can select an integration. So let's say you want to enter them directly into, say, GetResponse or ConvertKit or Constant Contact, wherever you want to put them. You can connect to Constant Contact or any of these third-party services, and then you just enter your API key if you need that as well. Let's go back to Add Actions, and let's say we want them to like our page. Same thing, you can now assign a value to this, make it mandatory, and enter your URL. We can also say follow us on LinkedIn. We can also have them refer a friend. Lots of options here. And maybe we want them to answer a question. And here you can ask a question and then validate the answer, which is optional. Again, once you're happy, we can come to design, and now you have the ability to change the design a little bit. So we have header, text, image, layout. We can switch this to put the image up top so it stands out a little bit more. We have our fonts here that you can go through. You can see that updates quickly on the right-hand side. Let's go with this one, and we have our button color. So I can click here for some presets, or you can enter the color itself. I'm going to go ahead with the orange one here. As well, we have our page background. So you could click something lighter or something darker if you wish. You can also add a background image and add some custom CSS. Next, we have our settings. We have the general settings. This time we have the option of the page permalink. Here I can put, say, something like contest. And if I click on view, you can see this is the preview URL. It doesn't look like our giveaway now because we haven't saved our changes, but once we do that, it will. We have display options to hide total entries and to show winners. We can limit the signups. We can show the RafflePress link. So all the same stuff in the Lite version. Same as our giveaway rules, but now we have email verification. So we can have them verify their email to enter. The from email, their name, subject, and the confirmation email message. And we highly recommend that you check out WP Mail SMTP to make sure that your emails are being sent properly. It's a great plugin. We also have success tracking. So here you can load in your onload scripts such as Google Analytics and your conversion scripts such as retargeting pixels. We also have the success redirect. So here you can create maybe a custom thank you page or some type of success page. And if you'd like to create a custom thank you page that works really well, I highly recommend that you check out seedprod.com. This is the #1 landing page builder for WordPress. You can also enable social logins, so allow logging in with Facebook, but the Facebook app ID is required, and there are instructions here in the documentation on how to get that. We have the GDPR and the reCAPTCHA that you saw as well. Again, once you're all happy, let's come back to details. Review your giveaway contest here. I think it looks great. We'll go ahead and click on save. And let's go ahead and publish this. So I already showed you the WordPress block, the WordPress shortcode, but now we have the giveaway landing page. And this is the URL that we created in the settings. And we can go ahead and view the page. And this is a standalone page that you can see looks great. And it says this giveaway has ended, so I must have messed up the times a little bit. So this is a great example of going back, click on our setup, and check out our times. Once we're done, let's click on save, reload the page, and there we can see our online giveaway. Now that you know how to run an online giveaway, maybe you would like to check out this video from WP Beginner on the 6 best WordPress giveaway and contest plugins compared. This will break down and compare the most popular contest plugins for WordPress for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.